Welcome to my channel. How to service any car at home guide. 1. Gather necessary tool supplies, get engine oil, oil filter, air filter, coolant, wrenches, jack stands, gloves, and a drain pan before starting. 2. Check and change engine oil, lift the car with a jack, place a drain pan under the engine, unscrew the oil drain plug, drain old oil, and replace with fresh oil. 3. Replace the oil filter, unscrew the old oil filter, lubricate the new filter's rubber seal, and screw it in tightly. 4. Inspect, replace the air filter, locate the air filter box, remove the dirty air filter, and insert a new one to ensure better airflow. 5. Top up coolant brake fluid, check the coolant and brake fluid levels, and refill them to the recommended level if needed. 6. Check and replace spark plugs, if needed, use a socket wrench to remove old spark plugs, inspect them, and install new ones for better engine performance. 7. Inspect the battery terminals, clean any corrosion from battery terminals and ensure the battery is securely mounted. 8. Check tire pressure, rotate tires, use a tire pressure gauge to ensure proper inflation and rotate the tires for even wear. 9. Inspect brake suspension, check brake pads, discs, and suspension components for wear and replace if necessary. 10. Test drive final checks, start the engine, check for unusual noises, and ensure everything runs smoothly before hitting the road. Thank you for watching.